Now second part of this chapter is profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account is prepared after making the profit and loss account. You all know in final account we are going to prepare trading profit and loss and balance sheet. You have studied in class 11th about final accounts. So after making the profit and loss account, the profit should be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio or as per their agreement. Now we have to make profit and loss appropriation account, which shows the divisible profit or the profit distribution among the partners. Firstly, what we have to do? First we have to write the profit which is from the profit and loss account. So first we have to write by profit and loss account or net profit. Okay, after it we have to write the amounts which the partners are entitled to receive or get it. If partners are entitled for interest on capital, then interest on capital, and after it name of the partners and total of interest on capital which is given by the firm to the partners. Second thing, if partner has a right to get the salary or commission, so to salary oblique commission X or Y and total of salary or commission amount. After it, if the partners has decided to provide general reserve or to create a general reserve, then to general reserve amount. Okay, if partners has paid the amount of interest on drawings or firm has charged the interest on drawings from the partners, so by interest on drawings X and Y. In this case, partners has to make the payment of interest on drawings. After making all these things, firstly we have to make the total of credit side, and then we have to deduct the amount or total of debit side. Whatever the difference is there, it should be credited to partners capital account. In such case, you should write to partners capital account X and Y in their profit sharing ratio, and total should be completed. Okay, after making this format, now I am going to start the question which you have to do. Numerical question should be ready. Let's do with an example. Ankit and Bimla are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2 with capitals of rupees 50,000 and rupees 30,000 respectively. Interest on capital is agreed at the rate of 6% per annum. Bimla is to allowed salary of rupees 2,500 per annum during the year ended 31st March 2020. Profits prior to calculation of the interest on capital, but after charging Bimla's salary was rupees 12,500. Provisions of 5% of the net profit is to be made in respect of manager's commission. Prepare the account showing the allocation of profit and loss and partners capital account. Now what we have to do? Firstly, we have to make profit and loss account for the calculation of manager's commission, and after that we have to make profit and loss appropriation account. As per the question, the data is given. Ankit and Bimal, capitals are given, share profit sharing ratio given, interest on capital, manager's commission, net profit and salary to Bimla. After this, before making the profit and loss appropriation, firstly we have to provide the manager's commission. So first we have to make the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Okay, in this case, what we have to do? Particular amount, particular amount. Profit should be mentioned here by net balance BD. Balance BD, that is 12,500 plus salary of Bimla, means total 15,000 profit. As per the question, it is given the manager is entitled for 5% commission of net profit. We have to calculate 5% of 15,000, that is 750. To managers commission, that is 750 rupees, to net profit, which is 15,000 minus 750 means 14,250. It should be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Now total should be 15,000. Okay. As per the question, second part is profit and loss appropriation account. We have to make 4 columns: particular amount, particular amount. As per profit and loss account, we have a net profit by net profit 14,250. After this, partners are entitled for the interest on capital 6% of 50,000 and 30,000. To interest on capital, Ankit 50,000 into 6%, that is 3,000 rupees, and Bimla 6% of 30,000, it means 1,800, that is 4,800. After this, interest on capital, we have to write salary of Bimla. So to Bimla's salary, which is given 2,500 per annum. After making these adjustments, 40,250 minus 4,800 and 2,500, the balance is 6,950. So this is the divisible profit among the partners in their profit sharing ratio, which is 3:2. So to partners capital account, Ankit and Bimla, 6,950 into 3/5 and 6,950 into 2/5. It is not compulsory that you have to write directly this way, or directly you can calculate. Amount is like 4,170 and 2,780, means total is 6,950. After this, make the total 14,250, and here also 14,250. As per the third part of this question, we have to prepare partners capital account. Format of this is like particular amount of each partner, particular and amount of each partner. In place of making two separate accounts, we have to make a combined format of both the partners. In that case, firstly, we have to mention the capitals of the partners, balances by balance BD 50,000 and 30,000. In profit and loss account, we have debited the salary because the firm has given. Now the partner is receiving. So what we have to write? By Bimla's salary. It should be given written only in Bimla's column. Interest on capital should be given to both the partners. So interest on capital is 3,000 and 1,800. After this, whatever the profit share is given to the partner should be written by P&L appropriation account, that is 4170 and 2780. After this, we have to make the total of this side and write down closing balance to balance CD, because the amount is not there, no drawings are given, so we have to make the total, and this is 57,170 and this one is 30. Now total of Bimla's account is 37,080. After this, make the total of both the partners and your question is solved. Now total 57,170 and 37,080. Similarly 57,170 and 37,080. This is the total. Now the question is solved. Now copy down both the